Hello and welcome back to the video series for Polaris 3G. My name is Todd with Mecklenburg County GIS, and this video is titled Printing and Measuring. So let's say, for instance, I wanted to go and print a map. I'm going to go ahead and type in my favorite address and zoom to the property. Let's say I want to put some more things on the map. I want to label the map by parcel number, lot dimensions, address. I want to turn some overlay information on, floodplain, zoning, and soils. So you can see I got my map pulled up. I go up to print. I can do landscape, portrait, or screenshot. I am going to do landscape. Give it a title, Todd's map. Now I've got some data layers loaded on top of this map, some overlays, so I'm going to go ahead and select Add Overlay Legend and hit Go. So it's going to take it a second, and it's going to provide you two links back, one to print the map and one for a base map legend. If I do a base map legend, it basically prints a one-page PDF showing you what the symbology of all the different base map line work is. So I'll close that. You can click on Print Map, and you can see I'm presented with my map of my property with all of the overlay information on and an overlay legend with the map. And you can save this, or you can email it to somebody, or you can print it out. So that's basically printing. Measuring, let's go ahead and jump to measuring. So we're going to zoom to this property, and I'm going to go ahead and turn off some of these layers because we don't need to see all that. So I'm going to turn off the zoning and the soils and the floodplain. So up here at the top right hand corner of the map, there's a measure tool. I can measure areas, or I can measure distances. We're going to measure distance. So we've got 65 feet of road frontage here on this property. Let's just kind of verify that and see if we can get an approximation on it. I'm going to go ahead and set my units to feet. So I'm going to go down here, and I'm going to click as close as I can to one corner. And I'm going to keep clicking, single clicking along this line as close as I can. And then I'm going to double click to end my line segment. So you can see I came up with 68 feet, even though it's 65. I mean, plus or minus, it's an approximation of 3 to 4 feet. So there's that. So once I'm done with that, if I'd like to go ahead and clear this line off the map, all I need to do is just click the distance button again, and it'll go away. And there's also an area. So if I'd like to know how much acreage is in an area, I've got different units of measure here. We're going to go with square feet for this. It's a small property, and I'm going to click on this corner first. I'm going to go to the back line, and I'm going to click over to the other back corner of this property line. Follow it down this line. And then when I'm done, I'm going to double click. And you can see this property is roughly 11,357 square feet. So once I'm done there, I can go ahead and click the area icon again. Well, I'll tell you what, let's go ahead and show you that you can print. So I'm going to print a second map here. You got to hit this go button again because you want it to recreate the map. And if you click on print map, you can see I'm presented with the area of that measurement, and you can see up here, here is the information for that measurement. And of course, when I'm done, all I got to do is click on the area button, and it will clear it right off. and then I can click on the measure tool to get rid of that. And that is it for measuring. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next one.